Good morning, YouTube. This is Happy Lander, and I'm here in Arizona, Flagstaff, Arizona. I drove 11 and a half hours from the Bay Area, but it's worth it. I'm so happy to be here. I'm gonna be getting my camper today, and then I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to start building my camper. So, yeah, stay tuned, and then I'm gonna show you the camper. I'm gonna show you the installation in like 30 minutes, okay? And here we are finally. Ready to get my camper. Okay, here's my truck. We are waiting for the installation on my camper. An OVRLND camper. I'm so excited. So amazing. I'm here in the parking lot. I'm gonna tell you, this camper looks so fantastic. They have a third gen here. They have a second gen, and a first gen, and they have a second gen here. Look at that thing. So here we are. Here's our camper. It looks so nice. Ready for the installation. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Hey, here it is. The camper. OVRLND camper. The best. It's amazing.